Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to enable or disable keyboard typing sound on your iPhone on iOS devices. You can see I am typing but no sound creating here. So how can I enable? So guys, first of all follow me. Open setting application on your iPhone. Here is now guys, scroll down and here is the option sound and haptics. Tap on it and now scroll down and find out keyboard feedback. You can see appears on screen. Simply tap on it and simply turn on from here both if you want to creating sound keyboard on your iPhone. Now guys, I am typing, keyboard sound is creating. You can see appears on screen. Now if you want to disable, again simply turn off both settings from here. Now this sound has been disabled. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.